Okay, this is going to be just a quick little Dollar Tree haul video, and then I'll also add some things too that I got from Home Depot. So these are the brown paper bags that they have now. And first, I got these large 11 by 14 picture frames, which I think is a great bargain because sometimes size 11 by 14 frames can run you about $5 from Walmart. So I thought these were pretty good, and there's some really cute DIYs. I've been looking for some inspiration, and I found some really nice DIYs I want to do with these. So I got 3 of those. This was really cute. I like this white frame and how it has the gold trim. Then I have these rectangle shaped baking trays. I have some really cute ideas in mind as for a DIY to do with that. Then I got these really cute paper cups. They come 10 in a pack for $1. It looks like something you probably use if you're making some cupcakes, but they were so shiny and pretty. Some ideas came across my mind to use them for something different. And the same as these bowls. These bowls are just lovely. So I feel like there's something really cute I can do with these. So just to give you some ideas, some things you should pick up from the Dollar Tree to get some really nice, creative, and affordable crafts done. I got some more of these cups. I found these cute little pearl stickers. I thought these were just so adorable. You can always use stuff like this as like a nice little trim to your crafts. If you need to cover up some imperfections or something, it's always nice to have some type of trim. I got some small cups, little bowls. So I think those will be nice. I'm considering doing some type of wall art situation. More cups. Silver, always really cute. I thought these were just super cute. I don't know how I didn't notice these before, but these are in the area where they have the fake flowers. I guess these are like what you would use as vase fillers. So they're called acrylic gems, decorative accents. I mean, this is something cute you could glue on the edge of something, I would think. They're not flat on the back. They have a small little point. They're just so cute. I wish they had clear. They didn't have clear, but that's still pretty cool. These are some cute little mini wavy plates, I guess. You could put little hors d'oeuvres or something in there like that. It says great for catering and parties. Probably put little dipping sauces in here, but when I saw these, I instantly thought of something I could put like rhinestones in to separate when I'm trying to pick between different sizes. Even though I have lids for that, I just thought that would be cute to use these as well. And then I got some duct tape. You always need some duct tape every now and then. And more acrylic gems. And these are a really dark, like midnight blue. I thought these were really, really, really cute. I wish they had these in pink. Then I got more of these cups. And actually the idea I'm thinking about doing with those cups, which of course I'll make a video, but I'm thinking it would be nice to do a really cute wall art. Some type of wall art. I got more of these red acrylic gems. And I have some of this ribbon. You get 9 feet of ribbon. It's sparkly. I have a blue one and I have a pink one. I think these are really cute. Again, something to have is some type of trim or something. So I got all this cute stuff from Dollar Tree. Oh, and I have one more thing I want to show you in a second. I also bought this, which is some cello wrap. I'm guessing it's like wrapping paper. I thought this would come in handy for different crafts, because I see some people like to use reflective chrome, reflective paper, mirror paper, and I figured this could kind of work as that. I mean, we'll see. It's pretty long. You don't get a whole lot of it, but it's not bad for $1 to help cover up something. Or you could also just spray something with silver spray paint as well. Okay, right here is a case of mirrors, and I ordered these from DollarTree.com. All of you people who are real hardcore crafters, I'm sure you all probably know that you can order from DollarTree.com. You just have to be willing to order a full case of whatever it is. The minimum for this one was 24. Some minimums are different. Some are 10, some are 12, but for this it was 24. So I'm just kind of looking through the mirrors to make sure none of them are broken, because this was my first time opening the box and actually looking through the mirrors. I don't know how many of each color there is in here, but there's black, there's silver, and there's white. And these are, I believe, 8 by 10 size. And I'm not exactly sure what I'll use those for, but I took them out, just laid them out just so you could see everything that I have from the Dollar Tree. So that's what you're looking at now, just a little recap of everything that I have from Dollar Tree. And there is free shipping if you decide to have whatever you order from DollarTree.com shipped to your local Dollar Tree store. That's what I did. Now, if you choose to have it shipped to your home, I'm not sure how much that costs, but it's not free. Second part of my haul video. Actually, it's not all just Home Depot. This actually came from Walmart, because I knew I was going to be doing some other different type of crafting that requires me to use staples. So I bought a Hyper Tough 4-in-1 heavy duty stapler, and this heavy duty stapler is a 4-in-1, so it takes heavy duty staples, cable staples, light duty staples, and brads, 18-inch gauge brads. A brad is a nail. I had to look that up. I didn't know what that was. It's a nail. So okay, so everything that I have right here is like kind of incorrect. Now, this 4-in-1 heavy duty stapler, like I said, it does take brads and it does take staples. For some reason, I thought that I had purchased staples, but what I have right here is cable staples. So I bought them just because. I don't need them, but I bought them anyway just because, you know, why not? But I also thought right here what I was picking up were 18 gauge staples, but this says here are the 18-inch gauge headed brads. So these are like little short nails. To me, they look like staples in the store. I even bought 2 of them because I thought they were staples. And I bought these because I thought those were staples and I thought these were brads. I wanted to have brads. I ended up reading this and trying to figure this out. These don't even fit this either. So make sure when you buy things that you know exactly what you're picking up in the store. Double check it. And also make sure you're buying the right stuff, because I can't even use this what I have in my hand right here. And I bought that off Amazon. And also everything in here isn't just Dollar Tree. This is Dollar Tree, Amazon, and Walmart. But yeah, this right here is the wrong thing. I'm going to probably cut this out from here. This is a retractable utility knife, basically like a nice little box cutter by Hyper Tough. This was no more than about $5. And this is called a great neck, but it's called a Mitri or Mitri box. And it has a back saw. This was about $15. This is going to come in handy if I need to cut something. You put the wood, I guess, and you put the wood inside of this box, and this saw has different slots so you can get a nice even cut. Let me show you what it looks like. This is a cute little thing to have, and you want to be careful because this is sharp. See, it has all these different cuts and slits in it. So you put whatever you're trying to put in here. So if you got something that's not going to fit in there, obviously you would need a bigger type of thing to cut. But like, you put your wood or whatever in here, And then you just get the going back and forth and go to work with it. If you got to do an angle like this, you go to work with it. There you go. So $15, that's not bad. It's gonna come in handy. So that's that. And this stuff is affordable. You trying to get into arts and crafts and make cute little stuff, just set some money aside to get the tools and stuff you need. Okay, also 36-inch zip ties, because it's something that I'm going to be making with this, and I needed it to be big enough. I actually wanted 48-inch because the lady in the video, she had 48-inch. I got 36, so hopefully I can still pull off what it is I'm trying to make with this. Okay, next I have some Gorilla Glue. I think this was about $7. Gorilla Wood Glue is good for wood projects. It dries a natural color, and it's good for indoor and outdoor use. So this is a pretty big bottle. I have some Loctite. You do need one of those little caulk guns too. We already have one of these around here. I just was kind of in a hurry. It says tub surround, but I know I'm going to be putting some tiles down. Well, I'm supposed to be ordering these backsplash tiles to put in my kitchen. So, and it says this is instant grab, and it dries in seconds, and it's stronger and faster. Express power grab. This was no more than about $4. So all this stuff is for different projects I'm gonna be working on. I be having all these plans, and sometimes it takes me a while to execute them. I just have to be in the mood, or the ideas just have to really flow, and I'm like, oh, okay, cool. So sometimes I do overwhelm myself buying all this stuff, because my craft area, ooh, so much stuff. So I also got some of these sawtooth hangers. I saw somebody in the video had some of this. They had made some real cute wall art, and they had some of these to help put their stuff on the wall. So I got some too. I be just taking notes. So when I see people using their videos and it's something similar I want to make like that, I can buy it too. Why not? So I can have it. And right here, they was only no more than about $2.50. I'm like, whatever. These are hinges. So if you make something and it come with 2 hinges, like a door hinge. So I figure if I try to make maybe like a little bench or a storage box or something, they come in different sizes. So I was like, why not? So I got 2 of those. And that's from Home Depot as well. Then I got a wood screw kit that comes with 147 pieces. This was about $6. So look at all these different screws, different sizes, and it comes in this cute little case. So I was happy to get that. I had my receipt so I could tell you how much I spent. I spent about $45 the other day in Home Depot. Oh, and I bought a bunch of wood. Oh, look, these are finishing nails, and it comes with 250 in the pack. These are really nice to have, and I have a hammer around here, of course. Oh, I'll just insert a video of the wood, but I'll bring the wood over here too and put it on this table to show you all the wood I bought, because I plan on making like a cute little table or something. Let me just show you. I'll be right back. This is just a little clip of when I went to Home Depot earlier that day, just looking at the different types of woods. You see they have thinner woods, thicker woods, flat woods, all type of different woods or different project boards you can purchase. And then the next clip is just the guy that was slicing the wood. You can give them the measurements you want. Okay, and here's the wood. Just a few pieces of wood, and then I had them just cut them randomly. Just basically evenly down the half, so it was symmetrical. And then this real long piece right here, I had them cut that in 4. So I'll be using that eventually and seeing what I could do with that. I got these dowels. These were like I think like $2.50 or $3 a piece for these dowels. I plan on using those for a project as well. I'm trying to take these DIYs to a whole nother level. Like y'all know, if y'all watch my channel or new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Maybe some blinged out wine glasses that brought you here, or some glittery shoes, but I do want to start making other things and branch out or whatever. I still, of course, do shoes because I like to do shoes. But here's another thing from, what is this? Oh, Walmart. This is Project Foam. This may have been about $15 or $16. This is 1 inch thick. So I do plan on making something that requires foam. So that's that. I have some batting too. Maybe that didn't come from Walmart. This batting may have came from Joann Fabric or somebody like that. Oh, and then more zip ties from the Dollar Tree. So I have quite a bit of stuff, a little bit of everything. So this is my haul. This was supposed to be a Home Depot haul, but it was Home Depot / Walmart / Amazon. But that's fine. It's really basically a crafting haul. All the stuff that I'm going to be using to do my little crafts, whatever little ideas you have, you might want to get some of this stuff yourself. Oh, and I have a drill too, a hyper tough drill. So there's my cute little drill. Because you know, at some point I knew I was going to need a drill. And if you're really trying to get deep into this little whole crafting thing, I feel like a drill is necessary. So my hyper tough drill was less than $30. And that's a Walmart product, because you see some of this other stuff was hyper tough that came from Walmart as well. So yeah, it works really good. Let me show you. It needs to be charged, but it's a light. Oh yeah, look, it's a little light on there. Well, I needed to step up my inventory so I can really come through with these DIYs. Okay, well, thank you for taking the time to watch this video and watch this haul. I really enjoyed doing this video. I have so much stuff that I have here, but I really do look forward to making different types of DIYs, maybe a little bit of home decor things, as well as some things about shirts. Maybe I'll even throw in some things with photography. That's something that I also dabble with as well. But again, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate all my new subscribers. And I hope that you all can get some really great crafting ideas and some tools and things that you need. Okay, bye-bye.